everybody, Steve Andrews here with HolsterSmith.com. We are here to present the 2017 Holster Maker of the Year trophy. This year's winner is Richard Shepard of North Georgia Holster Company. His website is ng-hc.com. That's ng-hc.com for North Georgia Holster Company. Now, Richard kind of won it this year in a little bit different way, which I think is really cool. Just so you folks all understand how we do this, this is not a decision that I make or any of my team makes as to who is going to be the Holster Maker of the Month or the Holster Maker of the Year. It is 100% decided by his peers. So holster makers all over the world get to submit entries for the monthly contest, and they are voted on by those very same holster makers to determine who wins the Holster Maker of the Month. Each month, the first place and second place person are qualified to then be in the competition for the Holster Maker of the Year. So it's a completely separate competition. In this case, April 2017 was when Richard did not win. He came in second place. So he was like the lower seed, the underdog as it were, right? But you honed your craft, right? Worked a little bit harder. Did second place upset you?
No.
Were you excited about second place?
I was excited about second place.
But first place would be better, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So he worked hard, did this submission for the Holster Maker of the Year, and guess what? He won. Again, for the 2017 year, Holster Maker of the Year is Richard Shepard. Gordon is here to present the trophy on behalf of HolsterSmith.com.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There you go. Good job.
All right, Richard, that is a good-looking trophy. Also, not only does Richard have this to display at his shop, but we keep a trophy at our shop that has each year's holster maker on it. So that will be going in perpetuity. So guys, gals, kids, whoever makes holsters, we've got some holster makers that have their teenagers help them make holsters. So if your teenager helps you and you want to let them enter, we don't have an age requirement on the holsters. So this year, go ahead and submit your entries and get involved. Even if it's just for fun, it only makes you better at your craft. And you have a lot of fun doing this, right, Richard?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And that's the key. Have fun. If you have fun doing something, you'll never work a day in your life. Thanks again for stopping by. Again, this is Steve with Holster Smith. Have a great day.